So we'll do this practice of Yoga Nidra, and you have the choice of sitting or lying as suits you. So be comfortable is the main injunction, and if you want to move during the practice from sitting to lying or from lying to sitting, there will be an opportunity to do that. So make whatever adjustments you need to, whether you're sitting or whether you're lying. And as before, be aware of your surroundings, be aware of the sounds that you can hear. And you can feel that the sounds that you hear are sounds that have been placed for your hearing to be aware of. The sound of the wind in the trees, the sound of children, people talking, sounds moving. And as you listen to those sounds from outside, you can be aware of the space inside this structure. Be aware of the shape of the structure that you're in, of where you are within it, of the other people, of the sound of my voice. Be aware of all of these different things. Be aware of the shape of your body. Contact of your body with the earth. The covers covering you. And become aware of your sankalpa. And notice whether you hear the sankalpa, or see it, or feel it. So let the sankalpa be, and you can let your awareness travel around the body as if each part were being touched by a point of light or a magic wand or a feeling of well-being. So begin with the crown of the head, awareness at the crown of the head, eyebrow center, nose tip, tip of chin, base of throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right shoulder, left shoulder, right armpit, left armpit, right elbow, left elbow, right wrist, left wrist, right palm, left palm, right hand thumb, left hand thumb, fingers of the right hand, first, second, third, fourth, fingers of the left hand, first, second, third, fourth, and coming back again, right hand, right elbow, right shoulder, right armpit, right collarbone, left collarbone, space of the heart, navel, right hip, right pelvis, left pelvis, right thigh, left thigh, right knee, left knee, right lower leg, left lower leg, right ankle, left ankle, right foot, left foot, right toes, left toes, and coming back, right foot, right ankle, left ankle, right lower leg, left lower leg, right knee, left knee, right thigh, left thigh, right pelvis, left pelvis, length of spine, space of heart, base of throat, tip of chin, tip of nose, eyebrow center, crown of head. Imagine a feeling of coolness in the body, as if you were lying naked in the snow in the middle of a blizzard. Feel how cool your body can be in such a circumstance. An intense, all-pervading sense of coolness everywhere, all the way through. And then let that feeling go, and instead a sensation of heat, as if you were lying on the sand, very warm beach, warm sand underneath, the warmth of the sun above, basking in the warmth of sand and sun, warm all the way through, deliciously, comfortably warm. And just feel how that is. And you can let go of that. Be aware of your body breathing, the breath coming and going. And as you do that, as you let the breath come and go of its own accord, I'd like you to become aware of a silent companion, a silent observer, who maybe looks exactly like you, perhaps like an identical twin, a doppelganger maybe, or perhaps like someone else, someone reassuring, a guardian figure, an angel, or just someone who's there, maybe winged, or cloaked, or dressed like you, or somehow else. A very quiet and very reassuring presence. So imagine that you are observing this other you, which in turn is with you, aware of everything that you do next to you all the time. part of you and apart from you. And the everyday you going about your business, mostly unaware of this companion. And the companion here with you now, each of you aware of the other, the companion silently there, and in a very special way, also looking out for you, caring for you, concerned for you. And this companion of yours holding these very special qualities for you, qualities that are necessary and unique, as if you yourself are a hidden observer of your companion, observing your everyday self. No judgment, no opinions, no strong feelings about what you do. But the companion is with you, with all that you do, with all that you feel, with all that's good in you and all that's not so with you as well. What you are, your companion is aware of, that which you do, that which you feel, that which you imagine, your emotions, your thoughts, the things that you want, and the things that you don't, the good and the bad. And that companion knows everything and is concerned with you completely and totally for you. In fact, you are the reason for the existence of this being. Part of you, apart from you, in the heart of you. Objectively witnessing and observing you. And I invite you in your imagination with your companion, with your silent companion, not in a physical way, but in your imagination, to go on a little journey now. And maybe to come outside of this structure, outside of this yurt, and to go for a little walk together to the campfire, maybe side by side, maybe holding hands, or maybe your companion's a little behind you. And as you go together, notice what you can see of the fields, what the ground feels like beneath your feet, the sounds that you can hear. Notice how vivid this is. Walking from here to the fire, the two of you together, and maybe sitting on the bench by the fire, looking around the camp, aware of each other. And experiencing a feeling of detachment, of calm, a simple sense of breathing and of being. Simply being and breathing and breathing and being. The two of you together, And in a moment you're going to get up from the bench and leave the warmth of the fire and start to wend your way back here to this yurt, the two of you together. Back into the yurt, sitting or lying. And now becoming aware of the space of the Chidakash, space of consciousness, and feeling that you can look into this space and observe whatever may be seen within in your mind's eye for a few moments. You can become aware of your sankalpa now. Just noticing the sankalpa. Just letting the body hum. And in a moment we'll Om together 3 times. You can choose whether to Om or to listen to the Oms. So be ready. Take a breath in. Om. So, the practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.